Okay, Alex, you just shown me the feet that the annexes on studios sit on.
We have 3 feet. So we have our concrete feet. So this concrete foot has a painting on it. So it's concrete, and inside is the gubbins that keeps it strong, which is the engineering, wrapped in concrete. So we can adjust that or put any leg in that we want to take it to whatever height. Just like
you can put in a different height studding.
Yeah, we can put in a different height studding, and we can put in a brace, so we can brace off of that, a different height of brace. So we can go up to we've been up to 1.5 meters on the height in certain positions. There's been times where it's overhung, you know, garden walls. So we've been able to put a foot in, so we can go 1.5 meters.
Right.
That gets sat into the ground upon hardcore. So we dig a hardcore out, put that into the ground.
Right.
And foot number 2 is a galvanized solid plate foot. Same principle, studding, but if you're already coming up off of concrete, this is a little bit smaller. See, you're going to save about 50 mil. It's a noisy workshop here. You're going to save about 50 mil on the height, so you can get that bit down a bit lower, so you won't require a step.
Right, so you would use that if you're going onto a concrete base.
If you're going onto here with that, we'd go onto there with that. If we're going onto the mud, we'd go onto that. You can see that one over there.
All right, yeah.
So that on soil or grass, this one onto concrete. Then there's a third one. Because we build the garden studio as a caravan, we need it to be on wheels. So these feet are on wheels. So that's adjustable. This plate can be adjusted up or down to take the height of the studio up or down, but it does mean the final act, wheeling in the studio, can be done. So these are 2-ton wheels, so they'll take 2 tons.
They'll take 2 ton of weight.
2 ton of weight, and you know, easily push the studio in. So what we do is we put a small concrete padstone where that foot's going to go, and we drop the studio in on that concrete padstone, and we push the second part of the studio up to that part and then bolt it together, sitting right on these feet.
Okay.
Then we, once we've done that, we add these feet.
Oh, okay. What
or
for?
These feet.
Right, yeah, depending on
which ones are required.
Depending on what's required.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Thank you. So what's happening here, Alex?
So what we're doing is we're lifting this studio in. As you can see, we're just dropping it down so we can get it in the video. We're just going to drop this down here. Once we've dropped this down, we're going to bring in the other studio, which we're going to drop in front of it, and we're going to bolt them together. The other studio being on wheels, this one on wheels, that one on wheels.
So yeah, it is. Whoa.
You can see it's moving around.
Yeah, floating.
Yeah. So and inside we've got the kitchen, the bathroom, it's all built, ready to go.
Okay, excellent. Thank you. Just taking the frame off. What are you showing me now, Alex?
So we'll put the crane round the frame. So we've lifted it, now it's off the ground, as you can see. So the studio is up in the air.
Oh wow, yeah.
So what we're going to do is, you can see it's all made, so we're going to slowly crane this into position and join it
into those slabs there, yeah?
Yeah.
So there's rollers on this section.
There's
wheels on this section.
So we're going to drop it onto these slabs and just wheel her into position.
Okay, fantastic.
Then we'll bolt it together.
Right, thank you.